to welcome you to the 4th K9 Users Club here in Krakow.
Dear hosts, sirs, S10, as the K9. Use export west.
유저 클럽에서 나온 기술적인 상황, 우리가 답변이 안 됐던 상황들은 신속하게 기술 검토를 해서 해당 기간 내에 신속하게 답변을 드릴 수 있도록 그렇게 추진해 나갈 계획입니다.
Let's go, please. Let's go.
The main reason why we bought K9 was that our army is conscript-based army. So this means the system must be robust, reliable, and easy to handle and maintain. K9 is the system. So for us, the feedback is very positive.
The artillery is a very important branch of an army, and it's an iron punch. It's great to be together because sharing knowledge, and as NATO says, we are stronger together in front of potential threats.